guys, and welcome back to the Ghallis. Woo!
Hello everyone, welcome to the Ghallis.
Welcome our precious hearts.
Before we start, please like, comment,
subscribe, share this video with anyone and everyone.
hit the bell to be notified, and please share and recommend our channel. And welcome to the Ghallis.
We truly appreciate it. We love you.
We love you all.
Welcome
to our precious heart community. Today we are having some whataburger. It has been a while since the last video. We did not eat it at all. It is a Texas-based burger.
Yep.
Based franchise who only based in Texas, and it's amazing. Everything is amazing in whataburger.
Yep.
Just an update on our channel. As of today, or as of right now, we are taping this video. Our channel has 305 subscribers.
Woohoo! We hit the 300 mark, y'all.
So we love y'all. We thank you so much for being with us. And we are now aiming for the 400.
400, 500, 1,000. Like, let's keep it going.
Yes, we'll see how it goes.
Yep.
So, are hungry, so we'll start.
Yes, so as you know, David has jalapenos in front of him.
Yep.
This is a new bucket because the other one finished. So, I didn't count how many there are in there, but we'll figure it out. He has gravy, French fries, onion rings, spicy ketchup, regular ketchup, and then we both have a #1, which is a whataburger with tomatoes, lettuce, beef patty, onions. Wait, I said onions. Pickles. And cheese. So what I'm going to do is cut mine. Because I am hungry, but y'all know I really can't do it, so.
That was #1.
#1, yep.
Jalapeno. Now, the question was raised by Peggy Luna, one of our subscribers.
One of our dear friends.
Hi Peggy. She's like, how many jalapenos?
She basically asked how many jalapenos does David eat in a day. I don't know.
Okay.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
It
Jalapenos.
depends.
Yep.
So some meal, I like to eat the jalapeno with it. Some meal I don't like it.
Last night he ate 3 or 4 fresh jalapenos with his meal.
Depends on type of the meal by itself. I don't eat just jalapeno for jalapeno. But sometimes I could really eat it for eating. It always like have a good, amazing taste. I love.
You are big.
Okay.
Just because I know you have big hands. Here, I'll do it.
Here, Dad. Give me the other one.
I don't want that.
I don't want that also. I only have one.
Okay. Well, I'll dip then. I'll use it.
Okay. Have fun. So y'all, how y'all doing? Hope you are having a wonderful time.
Wonderful week. Guys, I wish y'all were here and you could smell my house right now.
She's cooking for the week, so it's really good.
Yep. Today's my batch cooking.
Yeah.
I hadn't been able to do it because I was like feeling under the weather.
I'm sorry we couldn't tape it.
Yeah. But I got chorizo and egg bites, ham egg bites with pepper jack cheese on top. You know, the mini ones, you just pop them in and you could go. I made baked chicken in the oven. I'm doing baked pork chops in the oven. And I also have beef taco meat simmering on the stove. Not to mention I already have mushroom taco meat in the freezer and spaghetti sauce in the freezer. Those are the only two things left that I have in the freezer right now. Everything else is gone. What?
Number 2.
Oh, second. 2.5. Oh, that's why you do it.
I've been busy lately.
Yep. I've been busy at home. I'm not trying to go out nowhere. I'm done. I actually transplanted some of my vegetables. Well, yeah, I transplanted my vegetables, my green onions.
A seed.
What?
You transplanted that. Your vegetables or the seeds?
No, I need to sow seeds. I need to put seeds in the ground or in a potter, I think. I need to do that this week. And I cleaned out the backyard, like where I want to put them. There still needs a lot of work, but it's been rainy, so I can't go out there. And I love it, guys, because we have cement from the front all the way to the back of the gate, a driveway. And when the pecan trees fall, I'm lazy. I'm sorry. I've been sick. I don't have time. I don't go out there and rake and clean the yard and everything like that like I should. But on the plus side is what happens is that it starts to decay and you get really black, rich soil. I found a lot of worms, like I said the last time. And so I've been using that dirt to plant my vegetables. And I just put the worms in the pot and it's all good. So I love it. I love it.
Sorry, y'all. I'm so hungry. That's why I'm silent. So I'm bad about that. We're talking about this. I think of Vanessa. She commented one time she's like, I love you. I was like,
oh, because I talk and you eat.
And he's like, yeah.
Yeah, it's true. He eats and
It's
I
not on
talk
purpose. It's just
yeah.
I'm hungry and
y'all know I can't eat very much because of my stomach. My stomach surgery for weight loss. I had the sleeve done, and so my stomach is really small. So there's days that I can eat a lot, like with seafood, I can eat more. And then there's days like if it has any type of like breading or carbohydrates, I can't eat. Like I'll take a few bites.
So what she's doing is she eats more than she eats. Oh, she's
Wait till you finish that. No.
She eats more than one time, but small bites.
Right. Like I will eat this the whole day. The whole day I'll finish eating this. And I'll munch on it. Maybe David will eat the other half. I don't know. But yeah, I try to take my time with things.
I know it's not enough, so she incorporated another stuff, not just she doesn't survive on one sandwich.
Yeah. Oh, guys, and I pickled some eggs. So I'm excited when those are ready. I pickled some eggs.
That's nasty. No, I don't like that.
You didn't tell me you didn't like it. I made a bunch for us.
That's right.
Okay. But if not, I'll eat it. I'll give it to my dad. My dad loves pickled eggs like me.
Okay, have fun.
We love pickled eggs, pickled pig's feet, hot sausage.
Yeah, we do.
I think we're the only people like that truly love spam, like fried spam, fried bologna.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. I don't know. Is that a southern thing or is that just like a personal preference thing? Because I love me a bologna cake.
Huh?
Bologna cake. It's just bologna that are sliced. It's not sweet. It's just bologna. That's it. I know you don't like bologna. You're full of bologna though. You don't like it.
No, I like mortadella.
Mm-hmm. Mortadella is
No,
bologna.
no. How dare you?
Is mortadella bologna?
Mortadella is a large Italian sausage or luncheon meat made of finely hashed or ground heat-cured pork, which incorporates at least 15% small cubes of pork fat. Want to hear more?
What is bologna?
Morinda citrifolia is a fruit-bearing tree in the coffee family, Rubiaceae. Its native range extends across Southeast
She's
Asia
dumb.
and
Hi Siri. What is bologna?
Bologna is the capital and largest city of the Emilia-Romagna region.
Hi Siri. What's the difference between mortadella and bologna?
Okay, I found this on the web for what's the difference between mortadella and bologna. Check it out.
Check it out. Let me have it. Just slide it, baby. Just slide it. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see.
Hi Siri.
What is the difference between mortadella and bologna?
Okay, I found this on the web for what is the difference between mortadella and bologna. Check it out.
Bologna is meat, not a meat.
Mortadella bologna from Italy.
Okay.
That's the only difference. It's from Italy.
What's the difference?
Nothing.
No, it has to be different.
Mortadella is a typical product of bologna.
But they're not regular bologna.
The only difference is that some are seasoned with peppers and olives, pistachios, different varieties. That's it.
And they have a different taste.
It's a type of artisan bologna. That's what it says, artisan bologna.
See? It's different.
But it's bologna.
It's done different. Have add-on.
Well, you could get bologna here that has garlic. So it's not.
Love.
It's just
Love.
you thinking that you're better because you can't eat bologna. You
Love.
gotta eat
I love you.
mortadella.
Love you.
Whatever.
I love you.
Mm-hmm.
You can eat whatever.
I know. That's right. Oh, and I didn't know that bologna is olive loaf also.
What now?
Olive loaf. I really don't like olive loaf.
So she eating whatever she doesn't like.
But I do love mortadella with pistachios. Why is your thing kind of like bulging?
What do you mean?
I don't know. Oh. Costly.
Sorry guys. What she's cooking is drubbing. So I hope you guys are safe for sure. Yeah.
If they have health issues, stay in as much
Yeah,
as possible.
please, yes. Oh, small tip.
Oh yes, give them a tip.
Small tip. Every day, do this. You will not lose at all. It's a help. For 10 seconds, just take a
Let them know
deep
first
breath.
where you got the information. That it's not just you.
I'm not making stories. Yes, this is
This is from a man
a
from
person
the CDC.
working in CDC.
A worker. Oops, sorry.
It's not bad. You're not gonna inherit anything. Just if you don't believe it, you don't have to. It's a normal thing. Anyway.
Yeah, it's just you know.
You wake up in the morning or any time in the day, take a deep breath and hold it for 10 seconds. If you could hold it for 10 seconds without coughing, without tightness, without
Shortness of breath.
without feeling like you're gonna die, within that 10 seconds, you are fine.
Like, you know how sometimes you swim and you're like, like if you hold your breath too long. Okay, you don't want to feel that. It's just basically like inhale, hold it,
For 10 seconds.
exhale,
No, you have to hold it
and how do you feel after that? 10 seconds.
hold it for 10
So
seconds.
let's do it. Hang on. Ready?
Like, I think we passed it. Anyway,
Yeah, we passed it, but it's okay.
that's the point.
So we feel fine. Our lungs are clear.
If you within the 10 seconds could not hold it, don't wait a second. Rush to the hospital.
Go to the hospital. This is like not saying like if you already have emphysema or lung problems, we already know that you're not going to be able to hold it for very long.
I'm saying
But-
if you are good, like if you don't have.
If you're healthy enough to do this without like passing out or something, that is one of the signs that you're okay.
Yes, I just wanted to.
What's the other
Another
one?
thing, keep drinking water every 15 minutes.
Any liquids?
No, water.
Any liquids or water?
Water.
Oh.
Water every 15 minutes. Continuously. You don't have to drink like a bottle.
Why?
Are we supposed to talk about it no more, or I'm not supposed
No,
to?
just say why.
Why? Because
Give me the top.
what you will do is this water will go to your stomach. You're gonna have to drink a lot. It's just a few sips.
Just like keep
And
your mouth.
anything-
Just basically keep your mouth moist.
No.
And your
That's
throat.
not the point.
Halas. Still. I know it's not the point, but I'm letting them know.
Oh,
Because some people are not big water drinkers, and I understand because I used to be one.
right.
But if you take a few sips every 15 minutes of water, basically kind of keep your mouth moist, your throat moist. Basically what it does, it's going to flush everything down into your stomach. And go ahead.
In case if you inherited anything, you were not supposed to take it, and we're not going to say whatever.
We're not going to talk about it, but we're just letting you know
Yeah, in
some
case if you-
precautions.
in case if you receive something you were not supposed to receive it, the water will take anything come to your mouth and take down to your stomach.
Flush it down, yeah.
Your stomach acid is
Will
a
kill.
tremendous killer. Can kill any type of anything.
All the acid will kill whatever germ you picked up.
You cannot believe how hard and tough your stomach, human stomach acid. The acid is, you can, if you don't believe, go online and check on that. The acid is amazing monster.
Yeah.
Nothing can stop the acid from eating it.
Yeah. So basically it'll flush out your system. If you inhaled any
Okay.
bugs.
So the 15
Hang on, let me finish. Let me finish.
It's my story.
But you're not saying it right.
It's my story.
Go ahead, then I'll tell it right.
Whatever.
Okay.
Every 15 minutes, take a few sips of water. The water will flush your mouth. Anything you inherited, it will take it
Not
down.
inherited.
Sorry. Oh, anything you
Inhaled and contracted.
Yes, I'm sorry. Contracted.
Mm-hmm.
Stay in your lane. You're messing up my mouth.
I'm messing up your mouth?
Yeah,
I'm gonna mess up your mouth.
I'm saying stop wrong right now.
How?
You make me confused and say wrong English.
Wrong English?
Yes.
Oh, I make you say wrong English? You didn't come with it?
No. It's your problem. Anyway.
It sounds like your problem.
So if you inhale something or contracted something by accident, or anyway, that's within every 15 minutes, drink some water, because you will not know you inhaled something or contracted something.
Right.
However, the water will continuously flush your system, flush your throat, and take whatever you have.
Clear your lungs.
Yes, to your stomach. Mm-hmm. And your stomach is completely fine. You will not get contaminated from your stomach. No, it's not going to happen.
Right.
If you actually inhaled something bad and it went from your mouth to your lung, now you are contaminated with it. However, if it went to your stomach acid is
very hard and it will kill it.
Yes. So
that's the same like with flus, with anything, when you're sick, that's why you're given, soup and, Sprite and water to drink, because you're trying to clear your system. The same with anything.
Yes.
The same with this. We're not going to say it, but you know what we're talking about. So these are just two tips that were
this is from
forwarded
a
to
person
us.
working in the CDC.
Right.
If you don't feel it's important, that's your problem.
Right.
Well,
no, that's not your problem. That's your decision.
Yes, well, I'm not saying we are doctors.
No.
Well, I'm not saying we are...
I'm definitely not. I'm
scientists.
a patient.
No, I'm saying we're not scientists, we're not doctors, we're not giving any opinion. We are all saying it's a suggestion. Mm-hmm. It doesn't have any medical suggestion or anything.
And this was a fact stated by a worker in the CDC.
You don't believe in it, you don't have to do it. That's your problem.
So just FYI, if you don't want to do it, that's totally up to you. We've been taking precautions. We've been doing it. I've been staying home. I'm no longer going out.
And you go into for the necessity. Not. We're not gonna stay like forever in the house. No, we go out still.
Yeah, I'll go out, but not to like where there's a bunch of crowds or things like that.
Well,
and if I am,
potentially we're gonna have to cancel Houston. Houston rodeo.
Yeah, I think we're gonna cancel definitely, because I cannot afford to get sick with anything.
The percentage is so high to cancel it. Like we're not.
Yeah.
We're still debating.
It's okay. I'll sing for y'all. I'll show you my countryness.
I mean, I love your Hayati, but you don't have to tape it.
You don't want my ghetto country fabulousness to come out?
You can have it.
Mesh. Okay.
I love it.
Mm-hmm. My redneckiness.
Yeah, so hope you guys have a wonderful day for sure. Hope you guys are liking our videos. We've been receiving comments. Apologize for not answering all comments. It's not we're ignoring them.
No, they will be done before this video.
No, just let's be honest. Every one of us gets busy. We love all the comments. We love y'all.
Just keep them coming. We love to read them. When we get a chance to comment, we comment.
Yeah, we don't ignore any comment. We don't have a chance to read it sometime because of work or busy, because of sickness. So please forgive us. That's all.
Yep, definitely. Guys, I cut myself the other day.
What I do is sometimes I have my iPad.
And I hate when he does that. Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead. Then I'll say I hate it. Go ahead.
I answer sometime. And sometimes I fail on a mistake. that I don't know what to say. So all I do is hit the like and I hit the heart.
I hate when he does that though, because it's like, okay, if you don't know what to say, leave it unread so I can read it and I can comment back something, you know? And then I go, hang on, y'all. I got something in my tooth.
There's something called toothpick over there.
Yeah, it's toothpick right here.
Yeah, over there there's something called toothpick. It's like a bit of wood over there.
It's too far. It's a piece of wood.
Piece of wood on the counter.
A piece of wood.
Yeah, a piece of wood on the counter.
B-E-T-H, beef.
It's not your business. It's my beef.
That's your business. Okay, anyway. So, because when I go to the computer, I'm always like, oh, let me see the comments. And then I go and I'm like, there's no comments.
There is. You don't know how to get them.
No, I don't know how, but I'm just saying.
I'm putting her on the spot right now. She doesn't know how to get them. Love you.
Really?
Love
You want to start?
I love you.
I love you too. Get away.
Okay, we love y'all.
Yes, we love you. Mwah.
Stay safe. And hope you guys enjoy your day. I don't know.
Stay safe, stay beautiful.
Whatever this video will show up, have a good day.
Yeah, good day.
Yeah.
Or as Susan Watkins would say, good day.
Good day.
Good day.
I think it's
Good
I don't
day.
know, maybe Tuesday. No,
just
it's gonna be
whenever.
Friday. Happy Friday if it's show on Friday. Happy Thursday if it's show on Thursday.
Just good day. 'Cause I don't know when. Just Monday through Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Good day.
Can I finish my comment?
No.
Again, if it's Thursday, happy Thursday. If it's a Friday, happy Friday. If it's Saturday, happy Saturday. Or good day.
You're making me twitch, dude.
Whatever.
Get the twitch. Get the twitch. Are you done with your good day?
Yes.
Okay. All right, guys. We're going to let y'all go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with anyone and everyone. We love you so much. Mwah! Ghali's out. Wait.
The Ghalis are out.
Oh, because you wanted to say it?
Yes.
Turn off this camera before they see you get knocked out.